here today to talk about our micro demo block, which is a diffusion bonded manifold with various microfluidic valves and pumps mounted on it. The demo block differs to a conventionally produced machined manifold in that it's built up in layers. This allows you to produce complex paths for fluids to travel through inside the block, things that you wouldn't be able to produce using a mechanically machined manifold. On this manifold, we're showing two main types of microfluidic dosing. We're showing volumetric dosing and pneumatic dosing. The volumetric dosing is using our 7615 micro pump. This could be used in applications where you need a high accuracy of dispense. Pneumatic dosing is using a customized valve manifold with a predefined dosing volume. That could be used in applications where you need the exact same dose again and again. Could be used for producing pharmaceutical ingredients or vaccines. So the pneumatic dosing system is important for customers who perhaps won't get the same performance through a standard solution. We have over 70 years experience in producing systems. We can develop a pump which is customized for their application. We take our standard products produced at the factories and then engineer them in a way to suit a customer's particular needs.